Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it. This is a week's progress of what was accomplished. And as you can see here, we have our good friend Billy that's helping us out one of the days. He's routering and putting some henoban on and bolting down the logs with Dean.
This is a section that we did a part of and we're continuing. And this is the first log before starting to stack the rest of the logs. So it's got to be put down right, leveled out. Somewhere down the road, you'll see us leveling, making sure everything's right on spot.
Right now you see me screwing the logs together. They still have to be screwed sideways to make sure that they're in. And these are the screws that we use. They're $2 a piece, and that we have to pre-drill, of course. And here you see that Dean has got the laser on to make sure that everything is nice and level, like he said. And there was one little section that wasn't quite so he's working his way on this handy dandy
The planer.
planer.
It's actually a Makita 12-inch planer. The damn thing weighs, it looks like I'm pushing it around like nothing, but it weighs almost 50 pounds.
I don't like using it. It pulls me around.
So I get to use that.
Yeah.
But it's handy for taking off an eighth of an inch very fast. So
It's a big machine. I don't know. I can't remember how much you paid for it.
it doesn't matter. It's
It,
doing the job for it. So
it's a big planer. But it's making our job easier when we're trying to level things off. And as you can see, he's verifying to see that we are now level on our before we start putting the next level on
yeah.
of logs.
I'm just checking to see if the bolt's through into the floor, not surpassing, because we're going to be starting our logs very soon.
Yes, and as you can see, we're measuring to see where we can find one the right size. I'm driving off to move one of the logs because the other one is the one we want. And Dean's going to be cutting it with the chainsaw to be the right length, which actually when we cut this, then we have our both pieces that we're capable of using because it's a good size.
Yeah.
And
Everything is anywhere from 24 to 18-inch diameter logs, which we cut top and bottom. And our thickness of log, we milled to 14-inch. So it gives us a standard everywhere around the wall. So here Anne is finishing, not finishing, but screwing down, countersinking and screwing down the big screws, the screws that we use to anchor everything down.
how many inches are those screws again?
They're 15-inch screws.
Excellent.
Yeah, and we have to, by doing that, the countersinking, we actually get the full thread into the log below.
Correct. And that way the logs don't move and
Correct.
and
Yeah, that too. Yeah.
keeps it intact.
Mind you, the weight of the logs as we're putting them down actually keeps pretty solid. There's no wind that's going to, or hurricane, I should say, because the logs weigh anywhere. I'll say the smallest log is about 200 pounds to about 1,000 pounds on the long ones. So nothing's going to blow that thing down, I hope.
And this is another day's progress, and you're going to see we're showing another day's progress as well. So there's several days rolled up into this film here. And on this day, we have another couple of helpers. Your cousin Tommy and Wayne,
Correct.
your Uncle Wayne, are helping us.
They come up when they want to give me a hand. I appreciate very well that they are able to give me a little bit of a hand.
And they're good workers too.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
Yeah, they give us a good day's work when they're around, and we appreciate all the help they give us. This is week 3 of the progress, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.